Hello Cricut crafters, welcome to today's very beginner basic tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how to download an SVG file, unzip it, and then upload it into Cricut Design Space. So this is one of the building blocks that you're going to need for pretty much any project that you start working on. So we are going to do that. I'm currently on Creative Fabrica, which I've talked about a few times. I really love using their fonts and their graphics and everything, but you can use any website you would like if you just want to download some SVGs. If you don't know what an SVG is, it is a type of image that your Cricut machine and Cricut Design Space can recognize and cut. It can also do PNG and stuff like that, which we'll get into in another video, but that's what we're working with today. So wonderful. So we're going to say that this is the one we want to download. So whatever website you're using, go ahead and click on the one you would like, and then you should be able to find a button that says download. Normally it's in a different color, it's highlighted pretty nicely, so go ahead and download it. I am using a Windows computer, so if you are using a Mac or something like that, it might be a little bit different, but the process is pretty similar of what you need to do. So the next step after it is downloaded, you can see it right here. We need to do what's called unzipping the file. So we're going to go to our folder. Now you could just open up here, probably the easiest one. So what you're going to want to do is go to your downloads folder. Perfect. So this is the one I've downloaded, but as you can see, there's a zipper on here. When you download an SVG file off of the internet, it is a zipped file, which is the format they have to put it. That way they can essentially post it and offer it to you. So what you need to do is right click on the file, go down to extract all, and hit extract. Now it's going to do its little thing. So now we can see we have a PNG file. This one is an SVG file. This little logo is the SVG one for Windows. And then you have a couple other options as well. Sometimes it'll have like a JPEG and all that stuff. So that's awesome. You can go ahead and exit off of those and open up Cricut Design Space. The reason we can't use this one here that's zipped, I will show you. When I go and open up Cricut Design Space, we're going to open a new window, a new project. Okay, so if I were to open up Cricut Design Space here, and when I go to upload image, don't worry, I'll go through this in a moment. I just want to show you. If you try to upload the one that has the zipper on it, it will tell you that it is not supported on this document really. So now I'm going to show you what you need to do. This is Cricut Design Space. I know it does look a little overwhelming and confusing, but that's okay. That's what I'm here for. I'm here to teach you how to do it. So we're going to go down to this upload button. Go ahead and select that, and then go ahead and click upload image. Now you can select browse. And again, it will not let me show you my file folder on the screen record, so I'm just going to show you on my camera. Beautiful quality, I know. So go ahead and press on the one that you've unzipped. It does not have the zipper on it. This is the one that we've changed. We're going to open, and then select the one that is the SVG file. Again, if you're not too sure, it normally has this little logo here, or if you need to go through them and check, it says here as well under type. So open. That's okay, don't worry, it's saying it's large, give it a minute, so perfect. We want it as a cut image, and then you can go here and edit the image name. So we could type in garden, SVG, or whatever. This is for your own personal reference, so whatever you prefer, this way you can search it up later. Now select upload. Now perfect, we have it all in here, so we're going to select on the one we want to bring into our project. Click on it and add to canvas. Now it's going to make it quite large sometimes, so you can go ahead and change the sizing or change the size here if that's easier, just so you can see it all in the preview window right here. Otherwise you can zoom in and out as well, which can be helpful. So this is where we're going to stop on this exact tutorial. because I do tons more tutorials and I wanted to do this one as a building block to work on and build on top of for all of our projects. So this is beginner basics and one of the best things that you can learn when you are a Cricut crafter. So let me know if you have any questions, you need any clarification, or if you are already a Cricut crafter who is very advanced and you have any tips or tricks. They're always welcome in the comments down below. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one. If you are looking to learn Cricut, maybe you're thinking about starting a Cricut business or just curious on how it works in tutorials, I have all of that and more on my channel here on YouTube and on TikTok. So please feel free to search on my playlist. You'll see all my lovely videos for Cricut, and we're gonna get you crafting really soon. So happy crafting, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.